gonna holler back, hey? Come on and holler. Want you to holler back. Want you to holler. Just holler back.
Hello YouTubers, this is SonicHyperTech with a video on how to make 3D text intros using Sony Vegas Pro 8. The only software you'll be pretty much needing is Sony Vegas Pro 8, okay? And a video media player like VLC. Alright, so go into Sony Vegas Pro. What we do is, you probably, if the first time you're using Sony Vegas Pro 8, you're on something like the Explorer. In this kind of tab thing, go to Media Generators here. And what we do is go to Noise Texture. This is for your background, pretty much. You can choose anything, but I kind of like this, so drag and drop. You see this kind of drag along bar here? Drag it until the end, alright? And you see the progress in degrees, drag it onto 10, okay? And then you can change the colors, do whatever you like. You can see then the kind of, I mean, it's totally your choice, okay? Just select your colors. The great thing about this piece of software is it's all about your creativity, so it's pretty much what you decide. Okay, so I have chosen my colors. Make sure it's on the end and it's on 10 here. Close it and just play. Should come up with something like this. Alright, as you can see, it's some kind of fire effect. Okay, now what we need to do is go to color gradient here and see this elliptical white to black. Drag it in on top. Okay, and make something like this, dragging 2. Okay, make a shape. The bigger you do it, and then hit the X. Now you see this kind of green box with the A here, with like the film strip. Change it to burn, okay? And then you get something like this. So when you play, you get a cool kind of effect. Alright, now what we do is we create another layer. Right click on this thing and then hit insert video track, and then in the track we hit right click, insert text media. In the text, type whatever you want. Okay, and then, you know, it's pretty much what you want to do. Well, sizing is very important. Do, you know, a little too much and then you're in trouble. Okay, so you've done what you wanted to, so yeah, hit the X, okay, that's it. And then you've got your thing. Drag it to the beginning, do what you want. And, you know, just take it to the beginning by pressing this kind of button. And now what we can do is, you see this kind of, the A, change it to 3D Source Alpha, okay? In 3D Source Alpha, what you need to do is hit that, and then you see this kind of track motion thing, hit it, and then you come up with something like this. Alright, it's pretty much the same thing, but this time you can move around the things, okay? So you have to move it every now and then change the kind of location. So I just moved it a notch there, then move it 2 bars on the time, move it like this, move it another 2 bars, straighten it up, set it here, and you know, it's totally your choice actually. It's the great thing about this software. It's about your creativity, and you have to really mess around with this, because in some softwares what happens is if you set a setting, then it kind of becomes permanent, and in Sony Vegas Pro there's nothing that happens like that. So what you need to do is just set everything on 0, the final thing. And so just keep advancing and do your stuff, okay? Just a second. Move down. Okay, and then hit the X, and you're done pretty much. So go back to the beginning and play. You can see that you have now cool kind of moving text, and it looks pretty nice. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. This is SonicHyperTech with a video on how to make 3D text intros on Sony Vegas Pro 8. Please subscribe, tell your friends, and don't hesitate to contact using the messages and email me. Visit my website. Everything's on the description for the links. You have to remember, Sony Vegas Pro 8 is not free, okay? You have to pay for use, you have to buy it, okay? Something like $800 or something, but it's worth it, trust me. And also, you can get a free trial. I'll put up the links. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is SonicHyperTech. Yeah, thanks for watching.